Here's interesting trend in apps called Photoroom AI photo editor. So let's just tap get and install it. Double click to install it. It's pretty cool app to change and remove backgrounds and do a lot of photo editing tasks easily. So yeah, now you can remove any unwanted objects with a swipe of your finger using magic retouch. All within the mobile app, you can create professional product images for for selling your stuff at like Amazon, Poshmark, Shopify. Create marketing materials, customize profile pictures, create polished stories to Instagram and all of that. You can also edit your photos and just do this very easy and quick, like automatically remove background, magic retouch, instant backgrounds, hundreds of templates. So it's pretty cool app. Definitely advise you to check it out. And then let's just take a quick look how easy it is to start with this app. And then how did you hear about it? All right, Google search, personal use. And then yeah, you can select all of this. Select this onboarding. And then you can just select a photo. So here you can just see some albums, whatever. So let's just select some random photo. And then just background removed like that. It's pretty cool, right? And then you see there is Photoroom Pro for free. There is 7-day free trial. If you upgrade either for yearly plan or weekly plan, so that's good because sometimes free trial is only available on a yearly. But then yeah, you can just see that, and then there is also some kind of free version where you can just see how it works. So then you can also, for example, remove the background. Great, that's already like a cool feature. Then you can set up instant backgrounds. For example, something like that. Then photo editing, you can just add some blur to additional parts of the photo. You can do some like color splash, like the car will be, for example, yellow, and or all the other parts of the photo will be gray, like black and white. Low key, high key photo. But of course, they will just have a notification that this is a watermark, what I mean. And then you can also create some shadows, instantly add some shadows. You can create some profile pics like that, which is also pretty cool. Nice little blurs there. There are some, like social, it instantly cuts to all these resolutions, which you can just use it. It's pretty advanced, right? And then just minimal shop. Then it also creates already product imagery for more professional shop. Then there are a lot of postcards for Valentine's Day, for like with a carnival, happy holidays, back to school, all different types of holidays, magazine covers. But all of this requires pro subscription. But as you can see, this is like quite advanced app where you can just see all of these features, like cosmetics, ID photo. For example, if you want literally like ID photo for US, you can try this. However, I wouldn't recommend you using apps for just official passport photos. Yeah, spring fashions for perfumes. It's pretty cool app, to be honest. A lot of features. You can also remove background, retouch, instant background, and then you can just see again what it will, and then you can just see some nice examples where you see the photo and it will just instantly be changed. So yep, that's just the idea. And then you if you want, you can just go and easily create an account with Apple, Facebook, Google, and other options just with email. So yeah, give it a try, definitely.